guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have some new nail polishes from Moonshine Many for you. Phoebe from Moonshine Many sent me her new collections that are releasing on September 25th. We have two Facebook group custom polishes, so it's a duo this time, and this duo is celebrating Chadwick Boseman, who was the main character in Black Panther, who unfortunately passed away. In the Moonshine Many Facebook group, there were a few Black Panther pictures that got the most likes or votes for this month's Facebook group custom, and Phoebe decided to create a duo based on those. We also have a Moonshine Many comeback polish, and then Phoebe's daughter Joy is turning 5 and she created two cute nail polishes to celebrate her birthday. If you do enjoy this type of swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. And a big thank you again to Phoebe for sending me these polishes. I do have to say that my favorites are this time the Facebook group duo. They're really pretty, and I think should really capture the inspiration pictures in these nail polishes. Let me know guys which one is your favorite and if you will be picking up any of them. And just one thing for the Facebook group polishes, they are limited edition. I will mark for you exactly how and when you can put your hands on these polishes if you are interested. Everything else should remain on Phoebe's website for as long as she is able to make these. Alright, I have been rambling too much. All the information about these polishes will be in the description box, but if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. So continue watching the swatch portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.